here. How are you doing today? Thank you so much for joining me. I just wanted to come on here and do maybe a short one, maybe not a short one, because of Satchel September. Ola May, I'll put a picture here and I'll link her channel below, has been giving us tasks to do. And it is really a fun thing that has been going on. And some people go all out and they do every single video all month long. Sue's what? She's been really great. She's been showing her collection that way, and it has been really fun seeing your collections. And Ola May does the whole month of dedicated to whatever it is. We had accessory August. This is September. Satchel September, and then we also had July drawstring July. I want to share, it's only a small portion of my satchels and I have more coming. So here is one. I did Satchel Sunday. I'll put that series down below. Most were showcased in those. Here is this satchel. I don't know the names of any of them. I don't know the colors. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. So you're welcome to leave it down below if you know Beanbeautis, and especially all you Dooneyistas out there and your Dooney addicts. This one is Preloved. I bought it Preloved. These were all just crazy, and I put these makeup brush covers on it, and it has been bringing them back to shape. And this was a Shop Goodwill, I believe, one, and it's beautiful color. So it is definitely going to be coming out this fall. Then I have this one that was inspired by Cami from Cami's Closet. Now, I had been stalking Dooney, and I love Dooney for a long time, but I never had seen a red one because red is just a popular color. So I hadn't seen one, and then she had it on her channel. Oh my God, she unboxed it. I was like, oh my God, I have to have it. And I waited and I finally snagged it, and I snagged it for a really good price. And this is the mini. And she's just beautiful. And no, she hasn't been used yet. Right here is the nano. That's what I was thinking. I get confused until I put them next to each other. This is the nano. I love this one. This is in the color, I think it's Bordeaux, and I just love this color. Love this color. So I am ready for this year's season. I've been waiting so I could use these. So hopefully I'll pull these out. Like I said, fall comes later here. We're still summer. Isn't she cute? So here is a comparison. This I know is the nano, and this is the small. So there is quite a bit of difference. And last but not least, and it's definitely not the last that's in my collection, it's just the ones that I could grab really quick. Here is the pebble grain leather. So this is the bigger. This is I guess is a large. It was a large is what I bought it, but I think now it's, I'm not sure, is it just the, I don't know. It was a large when I bought it. And I also got this on the resale market, probably shopgoodwill.com. I'll try to put the information of where I got them for you when I got them. But like I said, all of these were showcased in my Satchel Sunday, that series that I did last year. I'm just admiring it. So this one, people were asking me, pebble grain leather is heavier, and Tara's Boutique is the one who told me, because I told her that I have a brand new one that I got from Nordstrom that I have not used because it feels really heavy. It actually feels a little bit heavier than this, or maybe it's the same size, I guess. I liked the look of this one, the black and the tan together. So I'm keeping her, and I'm gonna try her, but even if she's too heavy, I'm just gonna find occasions where I'm just gonna use them for a little while, because sometimes I just go out for an hour, go out for dinner, and I can handle that for that long. It's gonna be a top handle bag, and it'll be one of those, it's a 2-hour bag. You know how you have your 2-hour heels? This is my 2-hour bag. Alrighty, Beanbeautis, thank you so much for visiting me for Satchel September that was created by Ola May. put this one on my shoulder and carry this one. Ah! The craziness, the craziness. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, love you so much. Bye-bye. I am qualified with YouTube now for several monetization things that they offer. Not the big one where I get revenue from the commercials and things like that y'all watch. I haven't made it there. I have to get to 1,000. I want to say 1,010 because I gain and I lose subscribers. That's why I want 1,010 before I celebrate. I qualify for the stickers where you can send through my lives, as well through my regular content, and as well as through my shorts, where you can send a tip, or it's called a super sticker, and you can send over in whatever amount that you want. You send over just a little something, and it helps my channel with whatever the channel needs, and help with my ultimate goal of having, you know, just a little bit of extra income coming in, because we're trying to get ready for my husband to retire. So down underneath, next to, like, my name will probably be, let's see, you're looking at me, my name will probably be here. The bell, notification bell is over here. Hopefully you've moved it to black. And then in between there'll be a button with the heart. That's where you can send super sticker and any amount that you like. Then there should be another button over here that says join. That's the next level that I qualified for, and I qualified for it for a while back, but I had been working on it for a while in my brain as like, oh, you know, it would be fun. And I finally got the courage to go ahead and do it. I did do an announcement, and I've been properly, by this time I have done my launch party live, hopefully, fingers crossed. If not, that's to come. And you hit the join button, and when you click on that, it'll launch you to the membership section, and it tells you all the goodies that you get, what the things look like. And there's 2 tiers, one for $3.99 and one for $9.99. The first tier is the Beanbauti FanClub. Everybody becomes a fan club, and you have access to the Discord. It's a private Discord that you could only go through becoming the membership. And then the $9.99, I'm going to have pop-up lives and kind of do some extra content over there, and just kind of build a community over there. I have a lot of things in mind, but I do want to get y'all's opinion and kind of see what you want to do. So those of y'all who decide to do the second tier, then we will talk about that. And eventually I'll have a 3rd tier, depending on how things go, with a little bit more one-on-one content. You have to download the Discord app, which is DISCORD. You can also go to discord.com. You can create a membership with the same email that you have as part of YouTube. Whatever YouTube email you have to use that email, so that they can talk to each other, and that they know that you're a member of membership through YouTube. And then that will launch you to the Discord, and you have to connect them together. If you need any help once we get into the Discord, I will put in a video in there so that it'll help you connect them. And then also too, I can try my best to help you connect them that way. So that's just a little bit about kind of the offerings that now I qualify for with YouTube, and I'm going to go ahead and avail myself. And there's no obligations. My content on YouTube is going to remain the same as far as putting content out there. My YouTube content is still free. That has not changed at all or anything. None of that has changed. This is in addition to my channel. Anyway, Bean Beauties, so if you have any questions, concerns, or comments or whatever, please leave them below. If there anything that you would like specifically to discuss more, you can reach me at beanbeautibagsit@yahoo.com, or you can reach me on Instagram at beanbeautibagsit. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming over, and until the next time, I'll see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.